Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 5.86 from the book Fundamental of Thermodynamics by BORGNAKKE. So the statement of the problem is a 25 kilogram steel tank initially at minus 10 degrees centigrade. So and given data, mass of steel tank is equal to 25 kilogram. Initial temperature T1 is equal to minus 10 degrees centigrade, and in Kelvin this value is equal to minus 10 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 263 Kelvin. Is filled with 100 gram of milk assumed to have the same property as water. It means that the property of milk will be similar to the water. So mass of milk is equal to 100 kilogram, and the property of milk are same as water at 30 degrees centigrade. So temperature, this is the initial temperature of steel T1 minus 10 degrees centigrade, and initial temperature for milk is equal to 30 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 30 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 303 Kelvin. The milk and the steel come to a uniform temperature of plus 5. So final uniform temperature for both, for milk and steel, is 5 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 5 plus 273 degrees. After some time, the temperature is same for both milk and steel, which is steel tank, which is 5 degrees centigrade, and Kelvin this is equal to 278 Kelvin. In a storage room, how much heat transfer is needed for this process? Required is to find Q for this, and heat capacity per steel is 0.46 kilojoule per kilogram per K. This is constant value, and some book this is 0.5 and some book this is 0.46. So here we start solution. So heat capacity of steel is 0.46 and heat capacity of milk is equal to heat capacity of water, which is equal to 4.19 kilojoule per kilogram per kilo, because there is an assumption in the statement that the property of milk and water are similar. Now first we find the heat transfer for steel tank is QS. In the solution, first we find the heat transfer for steel is QS is equal to MC del T. Formula is MC del T. Mass of steel N2, heat capacity of steel, final temperature T2 minus initial temperature for steel. So QS is equal to mass of steel is given to us as 25 kilogram. Heat capacity per steel is 0.46 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and some book this is 0.502. Both are, I think there are no big difference. There are many types of steel. There is no one type of steel. So this value may be vary. So 0.502 and this is 0.5. You can take this 0.46. And to final temperature is 278 Kelvin minus 263 Kelvin. Now QS is equal to, here kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. 25 multiplied by 0.502 is equal to 12.55 kilojoule per Kelvin. Multiply by 278 Kelvin minus 263 Kelvin is equal to 15 Kelvin. This Kelvin will be cancelled with Kelvin, and heat absorbed by the steel from the milk is equal to 188.25 kilojoule. Positive sign means that heat is absorbed by the steel from the milk. Now we find heat transfer from milk. Now heat transfer from milk. So which is equal to mass of milk multiplied by heat capacity of milk and T2 final equilibrium temperature minus initial temperature of milk. So heat transfer of milk is equal to mass of milk is given to us as 100 kilogram. This is 100 kilogram multiplied by heat capacity of milk which is equal to heat capacity of water 4.19 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Final temperature is 278 Kelvin and initial temperature of milk is 303 Kelvin. So simplify this. You can these two units are same, so you can write this as this Kelvin. You can write this Kelvin here. So this Kelvin will be cancelled with Kelvin. Kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. So heat transfer final is equal to minus 10,475 kilojoule. And negative sign means that heat is transferred from milk to steel tank. Now the total heat transfer is equal to the total transfer is Q is equal to heat absorbed by the steel plus heat lost by the milk. So heat absorbed by the steel is equal to 188.25 kilojoule plus heat lost by the milk is minus 10,475 kilojoule. So Q is equal to 188.25 kilojoule minus 10,400. So final answer will be equal to minus 10,286.75 kilojoule. So net negative sign means that heat transfer from the system to the surrounding. Negative sign means that heat is transferred from the system to the surrounding. That heat transferred from the system to the surrounding. So this is the end of the problem, and for more problems please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.